Yo, what is up, Saucy Squad? It's your boy Victor, and we're back with another mukbang today. We got crawfish, a pound of crawfish, a pound of shrimp. I got a hot flavor with like garlic and stuff, and then Cajun fries. So let's get started. I don't want to wait any longer. This ketchup right here with the Cajun fries. Ooh. Fries are soggy. They had to wait for a little bit. I got there kind of late, so that's why it's soggy, but it's still good. I got butter over here, which I probably won't use, and then some lime. I'm actually gonna use some of this right now. All right, guys, let's go in for crawfish first. Ooh, look at that. All right. First, you gotta suck all that juice off. Eat that tail. If you guys have never had crawfish before, I highly recommend it. Boom, that's how you get it out. I'm gonna dip it in the butter. Oh, so good. And for this one, I like to, some people like to suck it. I like to take it apart. Suck it there. And suck and bite on this. Ooh. Ooh, that is so good. Let's get the shrimp. For the shrimp, same thing. I just suck on the head. Ooh. The head is the best part, honestly, y'all. Suck on the tail. Ooh. Let's deshell this. I got this from a place called Red Claws in Addison, Texas, or in Dallas, Texas. And then there is your shrimp. Oh man, that was so good. They give me a big old potato. This is gonna be so good. So now I'm gonna start dipping in the sauce. The sauce is like all in here, so. That's so good. Do you guys like seafood? What's your favorite seafood? I don't think mine is crawfish, but definitely shrimp is up there. Crawfish is just fun, like to eat with friends. Like good to hang out and stuff like that. But I actually love shrimp. So get this tail out, bam, and then dip it in this sauce right here. Oh, that's so good. I gotta make like a little pool for my sauce. Guys, it is getting so hot right now in Dallas. The power company in Dallas actually told residents to put their AC at like 78 degrees when they're at home, and then like 85 when they're not. I'm just like, you guys are crazy. That is, people are gonna freaking pass out from the heat. Let's get some more of these fries. Let's get some of these fries and dip in the sauce. Ooh. I didn't get a napkin, so we're going napkinless today. Black ice. Sparkling ice, black cherry. Oh man, this is so good, y'all. Let's get another shrimp. Oh, so I don't know if I mentioned this in the other video, in my sushi video, but if you guys saw this bruise, this is nothing. This is just from basketball. Don't worry about me. By the time this gets posted, the sushi video should have been up for a little bit, but people might be wondering like what's going on. It's nothing, honestly. Here it is with that sauce, y'all. Ooh. It's so good. Yep, the shrimp is my favorite. Sorry guys, I know that sound is kind of annoying, but I want you guys to see me peel it. Oh, with the sauce. Gotta get the sauce incorporated. Oh, let's get some of this potato. Dip it all in that sauce. So good. They double bagged this actually. Just now noticed that. There's a huge piece of potato in here. Crawfish. Do you guys like crawfish? Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below. Have you guys ever had crawfish? And if you did, what do you think of it? Personally, I think the flavor's okay. There's not enough meat for me, but it's still good. It's good to get together with friends and eat it. I see Kuzo AB, another mukbanger. She always is eating crawfish, and she makes me crave it because I watch her stuff. So there's corn and sausage in here too. Look at that sausage. Sausage is probably one of my favorite parts, but it's so expensive sometimes. If my nose is running, don't mind me. I am just enjoying this food. This is so messy, y'all. I love it. Get the fries with some ketchup. I don't need the butter at all. You gotta suck the head. So back in the day, my dad used to cook, or we used to have crawfish boils all the time. Those were so fun back in the day. Because when my aunts and uncles used to live with us too, so like we'd have like 10 people living with us, and everyone would just eat a ton of crawfish. So we'd get like 3 sacks, or 2 sacks, which is around like, I think 70 pounds. And we would each just eat a ton. Some people don't like working for their food, but I think it's fun. You know, peeling, eating. I don't know. Let's get some of this corn. Ooh. Corn. I'm gonna put that over here with the fries along with the sausage. And actually the potato too. Let's get back to it. Crawfish. Guys, I'm going to Austin July 4th. If you guys have ever been to Austin, please leave suggestions down below where I should go eat. Now, I love pizza. And so I think we're for sure going to eat at Home Slice. It's a pizza place. But if you guys have any other recs, please let me know. Austin, Texas. What are your guys' plans for the 4th? When I was a kid, I think there's most kids, I love doing fireworks. Now I just like sitting back and watching. Occasionally I'll get some buddies and actually shoot some fireworks, but what do you guys usually do for the 4th? I think it's one of the funnest holidays because you just get drunk, eat really good food. Most people are outdoors, and it just makes it for a fun time. I'm about to finish this sausage, it's so good. I think they had kind of overcooked this shrimp, honestly, because when the meat is kind of soft like this, yeah, it means I overcooked it. So Red Claws is Vietnamese owned, so I love their business, I'll support them, but please don't overcook your shrimp. Oh, so good. This is like the messiest mukbang I think I've ever done. It's hard to talk during these mukbangs too. I will say though, their hot is pretty hot. This is getting pretty spicy. Oh, so good. I'm gonna finish the corn. Look at that, y'all. I got a good amount left. So guys, if you guys don't know how to peel a shrimp, you just take that first end off. You put your thumb and you kind of bite down on this and it should come out, sorry, boom, cleanly. I'll show you guys again. So, you take this, twist that tail off, so it becomes two ends like this. For this one, you just take this first part off, and then now that the tail is a little bit exposed, you take your other thumb, you kind of cinch down on the end of the tail, the whole thing comes out. I wasn't even gonna do a mukbang today, but crawfish is almost out of season, and so I wanted to film one before it went out of season. Ooh. I'm like sweating so much, y'all. So don't mind me if I just look covered in sweat. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys this bite. Ooh. Oh man. I should have got some mussels too. Mussels are my favorite. That and shrimp. Man. My table is so dirty, y'all. There's a longer mukbang. I'm trying to finish the food, so I want to finish it for you guys. And if you guys are still watching by now, props to you. And thank you. I think I'm gonna save this for later. Even though I just said I'm gonna finish the food. The fries though. Oh, there's only a few left. I'll go ahead and just finish it. These last ones are so saucy. I don't even think I'm full from the meat, I'm full from the salt. Because this has so much salt in it. Ooh. They have pretty good sized crawfish too, I'm not gonna lie. Not too shabby. Last one. And it's a shrimp. I think I went through that pretty fast. This is one of my longer videos, but I mean, I also had to work for my food this time. Bam. Let's eat all these fries. Man, if these fries were fresh. Alright guys, that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a little bit longer, but thank you guys. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you guys next time.